How to use Tide detergent on my lawn. Homeowners and landscapers are always looking for ways to produce lush, green lawns. Although there are many commercial products available to enhance lawns, you probably have what you need in the laundry room. Applying laundry detergent, such as Tide, to the lawn helps to regrow areas of dying grass by allowing moisture to soak into the ground. In addition, one of the main ingredients in Tide is phosphates, which plants love. Things you will need: water, 5-gallon bucket, Tide laundry detergent, liquid or powder, spoon, garden hose, hose and sprayer. Pour 1 gallon of lukewarm tap water into a 5-gallon bucket. Using lukewarm water makes it easier to dissolve the Tide detergent. Pour 1 teaspoon of Tide liquid or powder laundry detergent into the bucket. Stir the water and Tide mixture well to completely dissolve the detergent into the water. Stir slowly so as not to create soap bubbles. The powder detergent will take slightly longer to dissolve than the liquid detergent. Fill a hose and sprayer with the Tide and water solution. Since most hose and sprayers only hold approximately 36 ounces of liquid, you will not use all of the solution. Attach the hose and sprayer to a garden hose and turn it on. Spray the solution evenly across the lawn in a thin coat. Then, focus on areas of dead or dying grass and apply additional solution in these areas. Refill the garden sprayer with additional solution from the bucket when it runs out. Continue watering until all of the solution from the bucket is gone. Tips warnings. You can reapply the Tide solution each time you water the lawn.